Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Today we'll be learning the pronouns. Then later on we'll be solving the worksheets. You know what are pronouns, children? Now, as you know that we have already spoken you about the nouns. Nouns means the naming words, like name of the place, animal, thing. Do you remember, children? And the name of the place also. Now, in that place, if we add something else, some other word, then it becomes a pronoun. Means a word which will be the noun will be replaced. We will remove the noun, and then we are going to add one more word to it. That will be called as a pronoun. Means it will take the place of a noun. So such words are called as pronouns. What are they called as? Pronouns. Why it is called as pronoun? Because it's going to take the place of nouns. Okay. For example, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. There are many more. There are many more words which are pronouns. So basically these are the main words for the pronoun when we are going to address any person, place or thing. Okay, children. So remember, pronoun is a word which takes the place of a noun. Now see, this is a definition. What is a pronoun? A word we use in place of a noun is called a pronoun. An example, as I told you, I, we, you, they, he, she and it. Right, children? Let us study more. Okay. Now, when do we use the word? Now, see, this when I'm talking about I, we, you. See, in a daily life, in day to day life, also, you are using these words in your life when you're talking to each other. Okay, when you're in the class and talking to the teacher, when talking to your friends, you are using these words. है ना? Now, you. You is a pronoun. You is a word pronoun which was used both for the singular and the plural nouns. For example, you are a nice man. This lady is telling this person. Now we are talking about only one person here, singular. So she's saying you are a nice. When remember, whenever there is a means we're talking about one person. Okay, so you are a nice man. Okay, she's talking to one person. Now here the teacher, or take it as a grandmother or whosoever it is, means talking to, see, three of the children are sitting over here, more than one. So you are good students. She's saying you are good students. So you is used for singular also, and it is used for the plural noun also. Please remember, you is a pronoun, and you have to use in both the place, in singular as well as plural. Example, you are a nice man, you are a good boy, you are a good girl, you are good students, you are good people, you are good children. है ना? Next now. Now, when I say the pronoun, like for example, I, look at the first box, that is I am a boy. I am 6 years old. I love to play with toys. Helix, I. है ना? So I is a pronoun. You yourself is telling everyone. You're singular. Okay, I is used for the singular. He also, one. He we use for only one person. My uncle is very nice. He goes to the office. He is punctual. Okay. First you said my uncle, and then instead of my uncle we said, instead of my uncle, he. Can you see this? है ना? Now it. Okay. No, first will complete she. Okay, after he will complete the she. She, for let once again, sorry, I forgot to tell you that the he, you have learned in standard 1 beta, that he is a pronoun which is used in place of any person like man or a boy. Okay, when you're talking about a man or a boy, your papa, your brother, your uncle, they are all he. Okay, he. Okay. Now when I say she, yes, your mama, your sister, your auntie, okay, all will be addressed as she. That is girl. It is used for the girl or a woman. ठीक है बेटा? Like for example, my mother is very sweet. For mother, what will you say? She cooks tasty food. She loves me. So my mother is a noun. In place of noun, we have written she and she are both the place. Similarly, we have done with the he. Yeah, that is what is called as pronoun. It takes the place of a noun. Done. Now it. It is used either for thing or for the animals, children. Like for example, the cat is small. Here the cat is a noun. अब cat की जगह पे क्या लिखा? What in place of cat? It. It is very cute. In place of cat, it. Next, now cat is an animal. Bag is a thing. The bag is full. The bag is a noun. In place of bag, again it. It is pink in color. Okay, now it is also used for the place. The park is big. The park is big. In place of park, we will write it. It is very beautiful. I hope, children, you must have understood whatever I have explained just now. Yes? Yes, children. So remember, I, he, she, and it will go with a singular noun. Okay? Now, next. Okay, we'll talk about we and they. We and they means we're talking about more than one. It will go with the plural noun. For example, we play together. We are very happy. Who? We're talking about Riya, Geeta, Pia, Ram, and I are friends. Okay, more than one people. And what are they saying? That we play together. We are very happy. We are hum log. Okay. Now they. Okay, they will be used for the human beings, for the living beings, for the people, okay, and for the animals also. For the animals also, more than one. They, ek se jada, more than one. The dogs are running. The dogs are running. Here the dogs are running. The dogs are running. Okay, dogs, S, ek se jada, more than one. That is why they. That is why I told you the see we and they are plural form. They go with the plural noun beta. जब एक से ज़्यादा noun की बात होती है then we say they. Okay, now here we are talking about two. A boy and a girl has a ball. They are playing. They means who? Boy and girl. Here they means who? Dogs, more than one. Okay, so remember we and you, we and they will go with the plural. Now there are some more pronouns beta. Okay, like for example the word like me, him, her, it, us, you, and them. They are all pronouns. They come in the telling part of a sentence. Like for example, see. For example, she told me to study. She told me to study. Next. She told me to study. He is my father. I love him. For father, for he, you have to use the word him. Okay. She is my friend. Here is missing, beta. She is my friend. I gave my doll to her. For she, we will be using the word her. Okay. This is my dog. It sits on its tail. Here we're talking about the dog. Dog के लिए we have used the word pronoun its. Okay. She is our teacher. She told us to maintain silence. Our teacher for our plural. So us. She told us to maintain silence. She told us to read the book. She told us to keep silent. She told us to work hard like that. Mr. Sharma is their boss. He will have meeting with them. With whom? With whom? With their. Their means the people who are working in the office. It is he is their boss. Okay, their. So with their it will go them. उनके उनके बॉस है. Okay, so he will have. और किसका मीटिंग रखेंगे? Them. किनका? The people who are working over there. He will have meeting with them. Them means who? They. There. We are talking about there means the people who are working in the office. ठीक है. So with he, his will go. Okay, him. I told him to do this. Okay, I told him to do that. With she, I told her. Okay, to give it to or do this work or do that work. ठीक है children. For it, we will be using it only. So remember, for he, him, she, her, if you're talking about more than one person, there or they, we will be using the word them. She told them to work hard. She told them not to make noise. Okay? Or something belongs to them. Okay? And the next word is us. For our. We have done this. Okay, she is our teacher. She is our teacher. हमारी teacher है. She told us. So for our, us. ठीक है?